How can you be successful in a market like we have right here, right now? We're going to talk about a few scenarios. As always, I appreciate you and giving me a few minutes of your time. So here's the thing. 2022 not been a great year for crypto. It's not been a great year for stocks or quite frankly really anything because of the continued fallout effect of inflation and all that's just decimated and devastated crypto. Trillions lost as far as market capitalization value in crypto, and way more lost in the stock market. But how to be successful in a bear market, how to take advantage of that. That's what this video is about. I did a video earlier today that was how to, is that millionaires are made it right now. And the theme of that is that this is when, when you can buy a asset like crypto and you can buy it at a extremely low cost, hold it, sell it later years down the road when it's gone up dramatically in value. That's when millionaires are made. And that's just really as simple as that. But how do you do that? That's really what I want to talk about in this video. So here's the thing. I think you have to, number one, you have to have the emotional fortitude to be able to weather the proverbial storm. You have to have a plan, right? So if you're going to buy, let's just say Cardano, you can insert any coin or token name here, by the way. I'm just going to use Cardano as an example. Say if you're going to buy Cardano today and Cardano is trading right now, let's say exactly what it's trading for. It's trading at 42 cents. So if you're going to buy Cardano right here, first you got to believe that it's an asset, that's going to go up in value. Cardano happens to be one. A lot of great utility around it and all that kind of stuff. It's not a Cardano video, but you get my point. You have to have a plan. How much are you going to buy? Is it enough for you to buy that? In this case, Cardano. And then you don't need that money. You can buy the asset as an investment and hold it for, say, a year, 2 years down the road. Because that's really the key. You're buying at an incredibly low cost today, say 42 cents. Cardano has the potential to go 15 to go to $10 to $15. That if at $15, that's a 35x return on your dollar on your investment. 35x, 42 cents to $15 is a 35x. To give you some perspective, if you bought Bitcoin today, and Bitcoin is trading at approximately 19,300, let's just call it an even 20, and if it went up to 60,000, that's a 3x on your money. I own Bitcoin as well, but my point is that Cardano, look for gems, look for opportunities, and then have a long-term buy and hold mentality. It's as simple as that. Have a plan, have a profit plan, meaning, hey, if you're going to buy Cardano today, you want to 5x your money, you want to 2x your money, or you want to make a 30% or 40%. It's really up to you. Have it be reasonable, and the bigger return you want, let's say that 35x return that I kind of mentioned earlier, that's not going to happen in the next 6 months. Have a reasonable plan for that. That's a multi-year number. The longer it out is, the longer it goes. The bigger the number, the longer it most likely goes out. Secondly, buy blue chip. Okay, have be as far as like the demographic, buy blue chip. Again, this is not investing advice, right? I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you my 2 cents. It's what I do. So again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, the top 20 or so. Buy blue chip. I mean, and then if you want to every now and then go, buy the occasional odd brand new one that came out in more of like a gamble, then that's fine too. But the bulk of it is buy blue chip, buy and hold long term. If you do these things, you'll be successful. And then you have to be okay with the storm that is coming, because it is going to come. And by the way, it is most likely going to get worse before it gets better. We still have a lot of room left for trying to weather this inflation thing that we got going on. It's probably going to go into at least the first quarter of next year. So in that scenario, oh, by the way, final thought, DCA in, dollar cost average in. Don't put everything in it today. Dollar cost average in. Buy a little bit today. Buy a little bit downstream. Dollar cost average, because I think we've got some more downside potential here. So that's what I've got for you. Again, that's how to be successful in a bear market. That's how to crush it. So I appreciate you, and thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. I will see you. Take care.